you get lucky here. But if I got stressed, I go fishing. Free to dive here. Dumaguete is a nice place.
You can start your day with coffee and finish the day with Red Horse.
Have you heard Marites? So, there's a lot of here. Hopefully we can meet you soon.
I'm here in Dumaguete, Philippines, and I made a new friend. He is the ninja fisherman. Let's go have a chat with him. I'm wondering, what's your name?
I'm Stefan.
Stefan.
Oh, Torres. Oh.
Where are you from?
I'm Dumaguete. Here in city in Dumaguete.
I see. And you're a fisherman.
Yeah, probably. I'm a fisherman. Oh. A beginner only. A beginner.
He's a beginner. What kind of stuff do you like to catch here?
Maybe I can catch a small fish or either a small one or a bigger one. If I got suerte, I got big fish. Oh. But if not, I got zero. Like that. Oh.
What's the biggest fish you've ever caught?
Lapu-lapu. I got 2 kilos. Oh, here. But around 6 a.m. in the morning. Like this afternoon, I cannot catch fish anymore because there's a spear fishing also. Can swim around, and a boat also getting get them a fish also. They got fish net like that. So maybe probably if you got lucky, you can catch big fish. If not, maybe in the evening you can catch squid if evening. Because probably here is most of the in this area is more squid. Maybe in the evening you can get lucky to get squid, but fish maybe get lucky in the afternoon. Sometimes, if you can get, maybe get zero. Mostly zero. So that's all. That's all.
Do you ever get in the water to try to get sea urchins?
Yeah. Also, we got spear fishing also near at Pier, Pantalan. So if low tide, we can go there at night diving. So we can see urchins or the snail or the other one. And maybe we can get also the snapper, the other ones fish at night usually. We can get it. I mostly get spear fishing. I don't know. I stop for spear fishing only. I usually I get this one fisherman lang at this time because the weather is not totally good in spear fishing. Right now, I can hobby one muna. Pamingwit muna. It's okay to Tagalog?
Yeah,
it's okay. So mas maganda kasi pag ganitong weather, mas okay na lang kung mamimingwit ka na lang. Kasi kung mag spear fishing ka, mas okay pag gabi. Kasi yung isda hindi masyado madula. So mas okay, mas makakuha ka ng paggabi ng mga isda usually. Pag dito, pag low tide, mas okay, mas maganda. So pero pag mag fishing ka ng gabi, pwede na rin yung squid. Marami kang mahuli ng squid magabi kasi dito mas maraming squid dito kaysa isda. Kasi yung mga isda wala na nakuha ng iba na kung spear fishing na ng iba or fish net na ng iba So paswerte-swerte na lang. Ganun na lang. Yun na lang yung masasabi ko dito sa Dumaguete sa ngayon. So you got lucky here. There's many turtle here. In the evening, there's a big turtles here, around 15. They can go swim and eating some fish also. That's all.
How do you, when you catch something, what do you like to prepare it with? Do you grill it or?
Yeah, grill. Usually grill because it's fresh. Maybe you can get soap, but much better if you get grill. So much better is grill. Like calamares in the evening or the squid or calamares grill. It's usually grill. Mas nice.
And you know how to prepare it?
Yeah, I know it now.
How do you?
Marinate it before you the squid. You clean it before you marinate. Tapos you prepare the mga panakot ba or mga something ingredients. Then you grill it, something yummy. Oh, if calamaris, that's good. Oh,
And you share it with your familia.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's so nice.
yeah.
Do you have to have like a license here or something, or can a foreigner just come here and go fishing?
Just come here and fishing. It's free. Dumaguete is free to get fish. Oh, not like some other place that there's a permit, right? Yeah, you're in your place. There's a permit, right?
Yes, yeah, in the U.S. you got to
Cannot
get a
catch
license.
Small fish, there, right?
That's right,
Oh,
that's right.
yeah. Here it's free. Oh, if you can get fish, it's okay. You have to get dinner, or so you want to get some happiness or stressful. Yeah, you can free.
I see some people on boats. Do you ever use a small boat to go fishing?
Yeah, also. But I have a friend also. They have a boat. We can go digging. Maybe at there, over there at Bakong, Dawin, Sambongeta. We can go there, but if there's a time, because my friend also so busy. So right now it's busy, so I get solo first. Solo fishing only.
It's such a relaxing hobby.
Yeah, stressful. You get stress from 1 week work, then you get fishing. It's okay. You get zero. It's a natural. It's an exercise also for yourself, and you stress relief. That's good. Fishing is not about you can get fish. You can ask them to get fish also, but you can relax. It's difficult. You can stress relief. From tomorrow is another day. Then you can get much better. You get fish. But if not, it's okay. But you will relax. The time will go, and you spend some explore like other place. Or you can go other place like Dora the Explorer. Or you can explore any where you can go. Or it's free. Or free to get fish.
And you have an interesting outfit. What has inspired you to have you have a special
this kind
hat?
of outfit, I probably use this one is because I have a group of fish spear fishing. It's hunter fish hunter. So we can get fish around anywhere in Negros. So we can hunt any fish in the shore fish fishing only. Here in the bye only ba. We cannot go another right far away because we can hunt also easily here in the shore fishing only. We can outfit only because we can get it's so hot. So we usually use this one to have a clue that we are fishing over here. You cannot go get black again.
Ah.
Oh.
You want to prevent sunburn and,
Yeah,
yeah, that makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, that's all. Fishing is a relax talaga. Hindi ka talaga hindi ka talaga yung mapupuyat ka. Kahit ilang hagis mo pa dyan. What's your name again?
Oh, my name's Alex.
Alex, okay. From a YouTube blogger? What's your blog name?
Oh, yes, you can find me at Eastern Dreamer
Eastern Dreamer? I see.
because I'm dreaming of the Philippines.
Okay.
I'm always dreaming of the Philippines.
Yeah, nice meeting you. I'm a beginner, a blogger also, but not yet. Only small content only. About fishing, but not totally good. But easily, I'm trying.
How can people find you if they want to find your...
Try to find me on YouTube or Facebook. Survival Hunter Philippines.
Survival Hunter Philippines.
That's my page on Facebook. You can catch me up on that page. And then on YouTube, you can see me that on Hunter Fish Hunter only. That's all in here in Dumaguete. Dumaguete is gentle people here. It's a nice place. It's a clean. You can see the water here. About our sea here is so clean.
It's very clean here.
Yeah. If you have to swim here, it's free. It's free to dive here. You cannot. There's no people you can mabuyag sa imo sa Bisaya. You can learn Bisaya.
I would like to learn Bisaya.
Small ni. So Bisaya you learn? What Bisaya you learn?
I know delicious.
Delicious.
Lamian.
Lamian, ha. Okay. But dire, Dumaguete is one. We have delicacy here, it's a Sansurbal. Oh, did you taste it? Oh, the cake? Okay.
Sans Rival is delicious.
Oh, yeah.
Shout out to Sans Rival, so delicious.
Hopefully it get sponsor.
That would be wonderful. Sans Rival, if you're listening to me, I will happily take a sponsorship. I would eat there every day if I had the budget.
We get sponsor. So you're schooling here?
Schooling?
No? Your vacation only. Are you alone vacation here?
Somewhat. I'm here for YouTubing.
YouTubing. Okay. So that's why you can get vlog here. Okay.
I'm very fortunate to have some vlogging friends that are very good at what they do, and they teach me a whole lot.
But I'm not so good in English.
Oh, it's good. It's good. I think you'd be surprised. Your English is good. It's solid. I think you're having a lot of fun with fishing. If you don't mind me asking, what is your job here in Dumaguete?
Yeah, I'm in the morning. I get in the market. I have a wife on market. We have a small intestine. We sell the inner part of the pig. So at the market around 4 a.m. in the morning, and then in the afternoon, going to evening, I have a parking attendant at McDonald Provincial and Dumaguete here. I have a parking attendant there, sideline work. Then after that, I go fishing around 11 in the evening to 2 o'clock in the morning.
When do you sleep?
Around mga 2 to 6 in the morning, or either if I go to market, I cannot go to fishing, but if I go to market, I stop fishing only. Maybe I get from weekend, I go fishing. Maybe probably that.
You're so intense. I mean, the amount of hard work that you're doing to take care of your wife, and yeah.
But if I got stressed, I go fishing to stress relief in Boulevard. Maybe I have a spot on the here in Dumaguete, Sania. I'm not going the far place, cause if I go far away, maybe I have something to do, to have a schedule to my work at evening, so I cannot grab it totally. So if here in nearly, I can go home right away. That's all.
You ride a motorbike here.
Yeah, motorbike. My place is around Cervantes Street. Near lang. Near.
So you're here in the city.
Yeah.
Oh,
Nasa
okay.
city only. You is in Bakong eh.
Yeah. So I take I take a jeepney into town.
Yeah, okay. So you're gonna ride a jeepney going to It's okay. So how many days you are here?
I'm here 1 month. Well, I've been here for 1 month, and now I'm extending 1 more month.
You get lucky. It's so
I'm-
nice. Wait. If you want to explore more here in Dumaguete, I can recommend you at my place in Darwin. So nice. The beach over there. Have you tried that?
I love Darwin. It's so
You
beautiful.
can go there. Okay. But if you want to explore more, you go Siquijor. Have you tried Siquijor? The Fire of Island of Fire.
It's hard to see, but in the distance, actually, there's Siquijor. It's kind of covered by. Maybe it's a little bit cloudy or foggy today.
That Island of Fire. That's good. That's nice also. The tourist spot is there. But if you have here, Apo Island, over there, you cannot see here. The smallest island only. It's so nice over there also. At Apo Island.
What do you think about all the foreigners that are coming here to live in Dumaguete?
Dumaguete is a nice place. I can recommend it. It's a nice place. The people here is a gentle people. You can approach here. Maybe you cannot approach at first because it's hard to be an English right away, right?
They're a little shy.
Yeah. Like me also. I'm not going to, but I'm trying hard. But it's okay. Here in Dumaguete, if you approach here, usually mga foreigners, the beautiful place, the fresh air, you can get here. And nightlife around the city every evening, it's okay. Then the people is approachable. Yeah, you can manage if you get friendly. Also, you can get also right away.
You can start your day with coffee and finish the day with Red Horse.
Yeah, like that. So then tomorrow is hangover. So, but here in Dumaguete is peaceful only. You cannot like other place. There's depende, siguro. Oh.
What should foreigners know about the people in Dumaguete?
You can know about people here in Dumaguete. I think it's friendly and what you call this one?
They're really nice.
Nice. Not also the nice. Masunurin. What you call this one? Masunurin. What you call this one? Maybe I can't foreign English. What's the called masunurin ba? Ka na ba? Wala akong masabi sa English. Masunurin is I think maybe you can say it faithful. Faithful. People here in Dumaguete is faithful.
They're faithful.
They're friendly and then open-minded.
They're non-judgmental.
Yeah, a lot of people here is open-minded. There's so many chismosa lang. Like, Marites or like, have you heard Marites? So, there's a lot of here, but if you can know it, there's friendly, they're open-minded also.
Have you been to other places in the Philippines?
No,
I think you found the best place in the Philippines.
This one, Dumaguete only. Negros.
I've been to a few other places. If I came here first, I would never see anywhere else.
Oh, maybe I try secure last time.
Okay, very cool.
I go secure, and then for almost 3 days only. I go there. There's a lot. I have a friend over there on a radio station. Radio Bisdak Secure. Shout out dahil akong friend si Dudong Colasisio, si Radio Bisdak. 90.5 101 105.7 Radio Bisdak Secure. The friend of mine, the radio station manager is Dudong Colasisio.
What kind of music does he play?
Beast rock. Usually beast rock. Alternative beast rock and 80s and 90s. Over there.
If foreigners go to Siquijor for the first time, what should they do there?
If you go there, you have a friend. Much better you have a friend to get a tour guide over there, to get safe on the area. Then the next one is you rent a motorcycle, and after renting a motorcycle within 24 hours or 2 days, you can go around secure within 2 days. It's okay in 2 days. But if there's no stop, swim. If you get stop, swim, or stop taking a picture or any memories of that place, you can get 3 days much better. Because it's better to not totally get, kanang nagmamadali daw, kanang kanang get rush to get photo shoot in that area. Much better you get relaxing to feel that better in that place.
What you're suggesting is when people come here to Dumaguete and to Siquijor, they should take their time.
Yeah, take time, sulitin ang time. Huwag yung mamamadali para yung gastos bawing-bawi. Get memories a lot of more.
What do you love most about Filipino culture?
Most Philippine culture here is like a free to get what you want. That's culture about here, and it's not totally got what you call this one free city.
You found freedom here.
Yeah, also the freedom here. It's good to have freedom. You have no other people who can say it. No, there's no over there, no fishing there. There's no like that. Maybe in the other place, but here in Dumaguete, it's okay.
I feel very free here too.
Yeah, there's a lot of people here. It's not totally like saying you cannot go over there. Or It's
The people are really laid back.
Yeah, it's a freedom place.
All right, Stefan, thank you so much for your time today. I really appreciate your help. Everybody check him out. Do you have any final words for us?
Final words for this one. First, thanks. We can meet Alex, a small, I think a bigger blogger here, from US. I think it's blessed to have a friend like this one, a good blogger. Hope we can get. I have also got an idea to have a blog also, because I'm a beginner also here in Dumaguete. So a final word here. Thank you for the rest of your time visiting here in Dumaguete, and hopefully lot of you can visit here in Dumaguete, because gentle people is over here, friendly people. Maybe you can shy because there's a lot of foreigner here. They can talk about in English, but try to approach me. Maybe I can not totally good in English, but try ko, makakaya ko. Oh, basta kay magka-amigo ta, walay problema na. So Lex, thank you Lex.
Thank you so much, Stefan. Thank you so much, everybody. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll talk to you soon.
Yeah.